So is that where all, like, the steam and sludge comes out?
No, that's where that feeds the water into the boiler.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, you'll probably find some pictures of it, but if you take these out, this long cones, and it's very clever how it works. We'll find some pictures of it from I'll show you. Failing that, you'll have to come down one day and I'll take one to bits for you.
Yeah. It's just amazing how they've all kept these engines still.
All this is to stop the water pushing the sides of the tank out. If you haven't got these in,
so
the tank, the weight of the water will push it out flat. Especially when they break and it all surges to the front.
Yeah. So is it like if there's a lot of water in it and there's so much weight that it will just collapse?
A gallon of water weighs £10. So you can work out how many tons of water.
I'm guessing there's quite a few.
6,000 gallons. So that's £600 divided by 2240. Probably that.
And that is what this engine actually is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's quite good that they've put a good use to something like this, cutting it open and showing everyone how these machines work.
You know how it works.
Hmm?
You know how it works.
Yeah.